In a previous video, I showed my new 2019 WRX STI having a protective film called Xpel installed on the painted areas of the front bumper and mirrors. I am now going to show you one of the main reasons why I paid $500 to have this done. My name is Frank, and this is Car Story. Here in Florida, about twice a year, we get a new swarm of love bugs. Love bugs are attracted to the heat and fumes from exhaust pipes and engines. That's why, after a long drive on the highway, my car came home looking like this. The front bumper is covered in love bugs. Looking at the windshield, you can see it's covered with the splat marks the love bugs make on impact. I need to get all these bugs cleaned off the car right away, because if you don't, the heat from the sun will bake these bugs on the paint, and it will damage the clear coat. So let's see if having the Xpel makes the cleanup any easier. First, we will soak the front bumper with plain water. Now let's see if we can remove the bugs with a microfiber towel. As you can see, these bugs are really stuck on and don't come off easily. If they are this hard to remove from a smooth protective film, they can only be more difficult to remove when stuck directly to the paint. Before using any detail products, we're going to remove as much as we can with plain water. Here is some bug residue on the hood. The hood doesn't take a direct hit from the bugs, so it's not as difficult to remove. Not many bugs hit the mirrors, but the ones that did took a little more work to remove. You can see here that spraying water is enough to clean this mirror. If the Xpel wasn't there, it would not have been this easy. Now we will use a degreaser called Xpel. This will get rid of whatever's left of those love bugs. Just spray it on, let it sit for a few minutes, and wipe it off. We spray the area again with water to re-wet the surface. You have to make sure you get the love bugs off the headlight lenses or they'll damage the plastic. Getting the black plastic grille area clean isn't easy. I found bugs crushed in most of the openings. I kept cleaning until they were all gone. You can see the bug splatter between the black and silver paint. I used a toothpick to carefully remove it. What a difference, the car looks much better now. So to recap, the grille looked like this when we started, and in about 30 minutes, it looked like this. Not bad. Having Xpel definitely made cleaning the bugs off the car easier. When we go on road trips, we always bring some microfiber towels, a spray bottle with water, and some detailing products with us so we can clean off the front of the car whenever we stop. Since we don't trust car washes, it's a good way to remove road tar and insects that collect along the way. When we get home, we always wash the car as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel to see where our cars take us next. Goodbye for now.